Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So today in this video I'm going to discuss what happens when you accidentally decline um, your invitation to apply for express entry. So before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now because I regularly upload videos. And if you have any concern, any question, anything that comes in your mind, feel always absolutely free to ask. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, like, although uncommon, but it does happen. I have some comments from some subscribers that they accidentally deleted invitation to apply. I know it's really heartbreaking because you do a lot of preparation and just because of a wrong click it goes away. But the point here is these are not manual anymore. These are like system generated, system control processes. So I'm going to include the link in the description if you want to read. So what happens is, like, if you decline the invitation, your profile still remains active and it goes back to the pool, but there is no way to retrieve this invitation. Of course, like, if you have done this and you are watching this, still I would suggest you speak to IRCC call center guys if they can do something from their end. But based on the information available online on IRCC site, you go back to the pool, and if you meet the eligibility criteria and score criteria, you would be invited in the next draw. But I can understand this could be painful for many of you who have gone through this, but this is the case. So hopefully you don't do this mistake again. So but in case it has happened, just speak to IRCC guy once. Who knows that it can be retrieved, but as per the available online information, this is the case. So thanks for watching guys.